Normally I use Reflectix tape, but I have tuck tape, not that. So that'll be fine. Okay.
Yeah. Whoa, what's Daddy doing?
Crazy how many pine needles and stuff are on here already.
Oh yeah. Yeah, right.
This stuff's been on for like 5 minutes maybe.
Yeah.
You gotta make sure you know where you step on this. You gotta be careful when you step here.
Yeah.
You step here and you just whack that into your body, hand miss it.
That's what I
Okay?
pictured. Totally pictures whacking you in the head.
I should probably just jump off it.
Might be safer.
Yeah. Build ourselves a permanent set of stairs.
Yeah, permanent, yeah.
Some people believe you.
Yeah.
Alright, can't do that. That'll never work. What you gotta do is get a crane in there to lift you up.
Yeah.
Onto it.
Yeah.
Double as a bench too.
Mm-hmm. That's good. Now you can safely jump down onto it without getting whacked in the head.
Oh, this is perfect. And then you just build another one with higher stumps.
Yeah, yeah.
And then nail those two posts together.
Yeah.
Get a welder in there
Weld them together.
and about 14 I-beams. That's what you need to do. And you'll be fine. A crane, lift it in place. But that's just a suggestion, you know.
Go, fatty. Oh, gee. You look like you were going to fall.
I somehow make it perfectly down between it all. That concludes the taping.
Nice.
So I'm just tagging this down for now with deck screws, but I'm going to bring in my quick drive to finish all the screwing off. Notice it always comes up short, this stuff, by a bit, because it's 4 feet with the tongue on it, right? But once you put the tongue in the groove, it shortens the board. You always end up, depending on the size, whatever, you're going to end up with like a little bit of a space there. So I knew that was coming. So I'll just cut some strips like I've done on other builds and just fill it in with some 3/4 inch plywood, and that'll be fine. You know what, I think I am going to just drill that down with what I got. I don't have that quick drive on me. I do have the cordless drill on me, and I got a box of screws. I'm just going to put those in and call it good. I got some knee pads to save my knees while I do it. It's not that big of a floor, or I would get the quick drive, but I'm just going to bang it off. Then that part's done. Okay, the floor is all ready to go. So now I just got to start laying out the walls. We'll get the wood for that. Get back in here and get started on those. See you soon.